Do you also spend hours analyzing charts and finding precise signals? Are you tired of the complexity of indicators and various strategies? Would you like to navigate the ever-changing world of Forex with confidence? Professional volume signals can be your guide. Watch the introduction video of professional volume signals today and enhance your trading potential. We have provided a powerful trading strategy and its signals, focusing on simplicity for identifying trends based on market volume. This oscillator and its signals will help you create a systematic approach for entering and managing trades, empowering you to take control of your financial future. In this strategy, the following methods have been used: trade volume, Fibonacci, and the oscillator designed by the Trade Wizards Group. Considering the combinational nature of this strategy, we have avoided presenting support and resistance levels and other analytical tools on the chart. Only one oscillator has been provided, which displays the final signal and price trend changes based on volume. Product specifications. 1. It does not make any changes to the signals, stop loss, and take profit, or the oscillator itself, and it does not change color again. 2. It accurately identifies trend changes and provides alerts. 3. It provides signals along with take profits (TP) and stop losses (SL) without alteration or manipulation. 4. It suggests 3 target profit zones. 5. It sets the stop loss at a safe point with an appropriate risk to reward ratio relative to TP2. 6. It is designed with the capability to turn off signals for use in combined strategies. 7. A table for presenting signals and calculating historical targets that can be tested in the tester. 8. It is usable on time frames of 5 and above. 9. The best results for gold scalpers are on the 1 and 5 minute time frames. The procedure for handling professional volume signals. Input settings. In the input settings, the most important parts are the period and the filter, which period. This number creates a series of changes in the main oscillator and signal calculations, which alters the results. Filter. This number directly affects artificial intelligence states and time sessions, influencing the speed of analysis and changes. Other cases. You can turn off the signal and use the oscillator for personal analysis and to refine your strategy. The colors of the signals, for user convenience, are adjustable. The signal release will send you an alarm and email, which can be turned off. The settings file below, which is the result of our experience and has proven successful, is attached. Please make sure to use it. 25. On, off, off, off. The panel alongside the chart. In this product, a panel with 3 windows is designed, where the first window displays the current signal specifications. The second window displays the targets achieved since the launch of the indicator, as well as the profits and losses of past positions. And the third window displays the overall results achieved. You can minimize it using the arrow at the top of the panel. Using this panel, you can test strategies on the tester for any time frame and customize settings for free, allowing you to see results before purchasing in the MetaTrader tester. You'll be amazed. First window. This strategy precisely defines the entry point and, at the moment of signal announcement, displays the following items in the panel next to the chart and on the graph. Entry price, position type, TPs take profits, and SL stop loss. The amount of pips for SL and TP that have been added for risk management and decision making for entry. After signaling, none of the items are altered and can be observed in the tester. Second window. In this window, the number and total of pips achieved for each TP take profit and SL stop loss are presented, broken down by buy and sell, indicating the strength of the targets and the level of their achievement. The hold section shows the number and pip signals of swing trades that have moved more than 3 TPs. These could have been realized using the trailing stop method. In this section of calculations, if a position hits its next target, it is removed from the previous target and added to the next target. Therefore, duplicate numbers are not included in any target, and each position is calculated in one of the SL and TP to ensure that the results are real and verifiable. After each SL and TP is achieved, the completed items are highlighted, and the unachieved targets are removed at the time of a new signal. Third window. This window is for viewing aggregated results, which consists of 4 parts. 1. Win to loss, the ratio of winning to losing positions. 2. Win rate, the percentage of winning positions to total positions. 3. Total pips of winning positions. 4. TP and SL, the difference between achieved pips and stopped out positions. In this section, an overview of the strategy's strength has been provided for users testing this product in a tester environment. Oscillator. The professional volume oscillator signal consists of several simple components. A positive slope of the oscillator indicates an upward trend, while a negative slope indicates a downward trend. At the time of a trend change, the color of the band changes. The blue and red arrows represent the issued signals. Other elements. 1. The red and blue arrows refer to the signal candle. 2. The green or red box around the arrowed candle indicates the entry price. 3. The yellow box indicates the achieved target price. 4. The orange box indicates the achieved stop price. 5. The gray box represents the target and stop that have not been achieved. 6. The dashed lines connect the stop and target points of each position. Risk management. You can use the oscillator on the chart to select your entry volume while managing your risk. If the stop loss amount exceeds your acceptable risk level, do not enter the trade. Try to follow a unit and systematic capital management approach, and at the right time, when reaching TP1 or 2, trail or secure profits to improve the results obtained from the tester and enjoy the growth of capital. Try to use M5 and M15 timeframes as much as possible. Gold scalpers can utilize this strategy with scalping methods on M5 and M1 timeframes by applying capital management. You can customize this product according to your needs. You can use the signals from this product for martingale hedging and trailing stop methods according to your capabilities. Recommendations. Use time frames according to your risk management and investment capital. Use ECN and ECN Pro accounts. Choose your desired currency based on your familiarity, previous backtesting, volatility of that currency, and in relation to your capital. The Trade Wizard team recommends that you test in the tester before purchasing to ensure you're confident in your investment. Our experts are always ready to respond to your questions and issues, and you can contact the Trade Wizards team at any time. To receive the latest news and stay informed about the best signals in the world for achieving greater financial profits, subscribe to our page.